Connect your GoDaddy domain to Wix to point it to your Wix site without transferring ownership, ideal for keeping GoDaddy for renewals while using Wix for hosting. This updates DNS records, A and C name, to route traffic to Wix. Requires admin access to both. Propagation takes 1 to 48 hours. Back up your site first. Steps: through Wix. Log into Wix. Domains. Connect a domain you already own. Enter your domain. Next. Wix provides DNS records. Root domain, a record to 75.27275 or 34.149.8745 for some regions. www. Name to proxy.wix.com. Optional TXT for verification. Through GoDaddy. Open new tab. Log into GoDaddy. My products. Domains. Select domain. DNS. Manage DNS. Delete conflicting A and C name records. For example, GoDaddy's defaults. Add Wix's. A record. Host. abad at points to 75.27075. TTL 1 hour. C name. Host. www. points to proxy.wix.com. TXT host, ABAT or Wix verification, value, copy from Wix, save. Verify, back in Wix, click verify connection. Test by visiting your domain, should load Wix site, set as primary. Tips: no downtime if done carefully. Use Wix preview URL during setup. Renew via GoDaddy. Contact support if errors, for example, propagation delays. For transfer, full move. Unlock in GoDaddy, get EPP code. Initiate in Wix, takes 5 to 7 days.